So for those of you wondering what the ported Plenum from ADTR looks like, there you go. All the factory ridges and lines and stuff completely taken out of it. Nice and smooth all the way back. It's opened up real nice and polished out on the edges. All the factory ridges. It's got that big giant ridge that goes on the side of it right here. I'll actually pull it off the car tomorrow and show you guys what it looks like, and we'll do a side by side. But all of that factory molding stuff completely gone from inside the nice and cleaned up. All the ridges opened up from the bottom. They did a nice job. They really did. And it's smooth. It looks like it's really textured rough, but it's not. It's got just enough texture. Yeah, it's smooth. It's nice. Can't wait to get this on the car with the other upgrades that I told everybody there was a plan. People were impatient. They were just like super, oh, if you put a throttle body spacer on it, you're not going to do anything. If you put a cold air intake on it, you're not going to do anything. And I'm telling people, okay, be patient, be patient. I don't have time to explain everything to you guys at one shot, because if I did, that would ruin all the future videos. There's a reason why the method to the madness works the way it does. You have to do little by little by little by little and set up the videos so people keep coming back to watch, and eventually there's a grand finale, right? Well, we've got a long time before the grand finale. We put a cold air intake on it. We put a throttle body on it. We're going to actually put a plenum on it. And then once we put a plenum on it, we're actually going to go put a probably like a 04, 03 Cobra mass airflow on it. And we're actually going to go to like a 5.4 throttle body eventually. We're going to see what we can get out of the basic stuff before we step up to the stuff where we have to get crazy and start tuning and stuff like that. Then after that, it'll be a set of long tube stainless works headers, and that will be next as well. And then eventually we're going to get into a set of cams and put a Vortec S-Trim front mount blower setup on it, just to make a little sleeper town car. But there you go. That's this costs right at, for this setup, the working stuff done, and then you have to send your setup back. That's $100 core on yours. You get it's $190 for it to be all cleaned up and ported. You send your factory Plenum back, and you get $100 credit. If you don't, you get charged that $100, or you actually don't get the $100 refund. So when I send my factory one back, they send me a $100 refund, and that's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks, ADTR. Thanks for the cool Panther stickers. Appreciate it. Big shout out to you guys, and let's get that installed tomorrow. I just wanted to give you guys a little update.